What if I told you that trash, old wood, and forgotten furniture could be turned into luxury art pieces worth real money? Today, I'll show you how forgotten materials become eco-luxury masterpieces, and how you can profit from them. Welcome back to the channel. If you love creative recycling, sustainable design, and making money from art and woodworking, you're in the right place. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more profitable eco-friendly ideas. Forgotten pieces are materials most people throw away: old furniture, scrapped wood, pallets, metal offcuts, broken doors, or industrial leftovers. These materials may look useless, but they hold character, history, and natural beauty that modern mass-produced items simply don't have. Eco-luxury is about combining sustainability with high-end design. By cleaning, reshaping, and finishing reclaimed materials with care, using natural oils, modern lines, and premium details, you can create luxury decor that feels exclusive, artistic, and environmentally responsible. Think heavy checkmark reclaimed wood wall art, heavy checkmark sculptural furniture, heavy checkmark statement lighting, heavy checkmark handmade decor with a story. Luxury isn't about new materials, it's about craftsmanship and design. The transformation starts with vision. You study the shape, texture, and imperfections of the material. Next comes cutting, joining, sanding, and refining the form. Finally, the finish brings it to life: smooth surfaces, rich tones, and elegant details that turn waste into art. Every crack, knot, and mark becomes part of the story, not a flaw. Turn forgotten pieces into stunning eco-luxury and profitable art means creatively transforming discarded, unused, or overlooked materials, such as scrap wood, old furniture, metal offcuts, pallets, or industrial waste, into high-end decorative or functional art pieces that are both environmentally responsible and commercially valuable. Instead of seeing waste as useless, this concept views it as a raw resource with hidden beauty and story. Through thoughtful design, skilled craftsmanship, and quality finishing, these forgotten materials are reborn as luxury decor items like wall art, custom furniture, sculptures, lighting fixtures, and statement home accessories. The eco-luxury aspect highlights sustainability, reducing landfill waste, conserving natural resources, and promoting reuse, while still achieving a premium look that appeals to modern, design-conscious buyers. The profitable art side emphasizes that these creations are not just environmentally friendly but also marketable products that can be sold at high value due to their uniqueness, handcrafted nature, and sustainable story. In today's market, where consumers increasingly value ethical production and originality, turning forgotten pieces into eco-luxury art offers both creative satisfaction and a strong income opportunity for artists, woodworkers, and DIY entrepreneurs. So next time you see old wood or broken furniture, don't see waste, see opportunity. Turn forgotten pieces into stunning eco-luxury and profitable art. If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it, and comment below. What material would you transform first? Subscribe for more creative, sustainable, and money-making ideas.